Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to set up Amazon Seller Central account. I'm going to show you a detailed process taking you through exactly how to set up an Amazon Seller Central account. This is actually very important to make a full video of this topic because there are a lot of hiccups or speed bumps that people can face when they set up an account where Amazon rejects you or you're waiting to hear back from them for a very long time. If you submit certain types of information in the wrong way, then you can get rejected, and so there can be a lot of problems. Let's get into it. We'll talk about the best practices, whether you want to have a business or if you're doing this personally. If you're doing this through an LLC, there's a lot of different routes you can take there. First things first, you need to go to Amazon Seller Central. So let's search Amazon Seller Central. Click the first one. Click sign up. Or if you have an account, just click login. Then you have to input your email or mobile phone number, then your password, if you already have an account. Otherwise, you have to create your Amazon account. So click create your Amazon account. You gotta input your name, your email, and password. Next, here we need to verify the email address. So they've sent you one-time password to your email. So go to your email, look for the OTP, then here I've just entered my OTP. Click create your Amazon account. And we are getting started with creating our seller account here. So just take note of things that you will need. So you can sell from many countries. You don't have to be in the United States in order to sell in the United States. There is a very large list of countries that you're able to sell from, and I would say the majority of countries in the world you'll be able to sell on Amazon. So here are the things that you'll need. First is a valid government-issued ID or passport. You're going to need a bank account or credit card statement. You'll need to have a chargeable credit card, not a debit card. It should be a credit card. We've seen people have their account applications rejected because they tried to use debit cards or other things like cash cards. You really should have a credit card for this. And also you will need a mobile phone. Here you need to put your business information, and we're starting off with the country that we are in. You're not going to see every country on here, but there's a pretty wide amount of countries here. So for me, I live in Philippines, so let's click Philippines. Here you need to put the type of business that you have. So you have a few options down here. So let me explain these different entity types. We have here state-owned business. This is probably not you unless you're working for a government state-owned. Basically, it means like government type of business. A publicly listed business, like companies that have stocks. Usually they're very large companies. Then we have here privately owned business, which is probably going to be the majority of the viewers here watching this video today. Then you have here the charity, if you're a non-profit. And lastly, if you're an individual. So obviously setting up an Amazon seller account as an individual is actually one of the easiest, like fast-track ways to get an account approved. But there are other people that do want to set up LLCs and have like a formal company for that. Just choose which one you would prefer on this. If you don't have a company already set up, then maybe you would want to choose as an individual. I'm going to click privately owned business. They also have a little bit of explanation for you as well. Then you need to put your business name. I'm just going to put a sample business name just for this video. If you're going to create an Amazon seller account as an individual, you're going to have to sell as an individual. You're not going to be able to change that after you get your account approved or something. Because there are other people who do that and they've had their account shut down. So hopefully this video is helping you. Then just click this little box right here to confirm your business location. And if the business type is correct, if everything looks good, because you cannot change this later, click agree and continue. Now you're going to see 5 different steps here. First is the business information, seller information, billing, store, and verification. We have here another business information. We already have our business name. Now you need to put your company registration number. For your company registration number, when you create your company, if you create an LLC, you're going to get a special number from the state in which you create your LLC. And that is the number that you'd be entering here on this section. If you don't have it, this could be a little problematic for you. They're not going to let you leave this blank. So it's very important that you have to put it. And here you need to put your registration business address. Here you have a few options, whether you want to receive PIN through SMS or a call. I'm gonna choose SMS. Then just type the characters above. Make sure you do it right because if not, you're not going to proceed. Put your phone number for verification, then the SMS verification language. So let's just put it as it is, which is English. After that, click Send SMS. Then this will appear. You need to enter the PIN that I sent to you via SMS. If done, just click Verify. Next. Now we're here in the primary contact person information. So this is just going to be your own information. It's actually pretty straightforward. Just enter your info. You're going to need either your driver's license or a passport number. So in my case, I did use my passport. Down here, you need to confirm if your primary contact person is a beneficial owner of the business or is a legal representative of the business. If there's anyone else, you have to add them. For example, if your sister or brother owns some part of your company, should be added their contact info here. It will help you speed up the process of getting your account approved. So generally speaking, you want the majority of owners of the business to be listed here. So here you need to confirm if you have added all the benefit owners of the business. So just click yes, then confirm, then click next. We're moving to your payment information. This is just your credit card info so that you can pay this $39.99 per month for the Amazon seller account. If you don't want to pay this $39.99 per month, you need to go back and change it as an individual. But I really think it's worth it. So just put all the information needed. Then click Next. We've now moved on to the billing section. This is actually the most important section of the video, so we have to enter our store name. I would suggest this being the same name as your company if you've already set one up. If you want to put up a name that's random, it's gonna be difficult to change later. You have questions down here. First is, do you have universal product codes for all of your products? This is basically those barcodes that you see on your products, right? So just click yes if you have those barcodes for your specific products. Next question, do you own a brand or do you serve as an agent or representative or manufacturer of a brand for any of the products you want to sell on Amazon? If yes, click yes. If no, click no. I'm going to click yes because I'm operating as a brand for my company. If you're an individual, you're probably going to do that as well. The only people who are going to say no here is if you're like an agent or a representative and you're not actually like the one who is selling these products. If you're doing it as an intermediary for someone else, like if you're selling Nike shoes but you don't own Nike, then you might have to check no. But if you own your company, you launch your LLC, or if you're an individual and you're selling your own products, then you're going to say yes. Does your brand have an active registered trademark? If yes, click yes, no, click no, and some of them. Next, we have to go through the identity and address verification. We have here passport document, so you have to upload your passport and your proof of address, either bank account statement or your credit card statement. So I've added those documents. I'm gonna click next. Then here in the identity verification, you have two options. First option is to take a photo of yourself. Second option is to join a video call with an Amazon associate. So I'm gonna choose to take a photo of my face. Click next. Click this little box. Click next. To get started, click Start Identity Checked. So this works better on mobile. Just scan this code right here. So I'm going to use my mobile for this one. And yeah, I've done that on my phone. It looks like my verification went through. Then you get this little message up here that says, thanks for sharing your information. And down here, it says you have provided your face in ID document images. Your images are being analyzed and they may contact you by email for further clarification within 2 business days. And that's it. So what do you think? Please comment down below. I would love to hear from you.
Make cold emails easy. Run perfectly designed, killer cold email campaign that turn leads into buyers fast. The only legit way to do cold email marketing. Anti-spam marketing system, custom customer journeys, reach cold leads with confidence. PursueApp makes it easy to run successful cold email campaigns for any business. Online SaaS works in any location and any device. Supports multiple campaigns. You can market multiple products or businesses. Create custom emails to be sent on event triggers like open, clicks, etc. Free one ready-made email sequence to help you get started. Easy to use and newbie friendly. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get PursueApp now. Just go to getpursueapp.in and you're good to go.
I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.